What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now, do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today, as always, bringing you another hot video discussing what's going on in the cryptocurrency markets. We're going to sit back, we're going to talk about it, dive into a few things. But before we get into the topic of the day, let's go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is just below $59,000. We're at $58,900. The Bitcoin dominance is holding strong. The Bitcoin dominance is at 56.3. That's a great level. We're loving to see the Bitcoin dominance continuing to make its way up. We were looking for 59%, 60% Bitcoin dominance before we are expecting a full-fledged altcoin season to start. Now, the Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 46. Still a little uncertain. Folks are still not understanding what's going on. They know last week we did see Bitcoin get close to $65,000. Now we're back below $59,000. So there's a lot of uncertainty going on within the cryptocurrency market. And that's because folks are not understanding what part of the 4-year cycle that we are in. So currently, Ethereum is holding strong as far as what it's been at, $2,500. The Ethereum index dominance is about 14.6%. We're still waiting on Ethereum to have its breakthrough. Ethereum has been one of the coins that have been a little bit lackluster this particular cycle. So, but we understand at any particular point, Ethereum can have a massive breakout. So we're going to kick back. We're going to wait for that. There will be some folks that will be upset because they was not buying Ethereum at $2,500. They didn't buy when it dipped down to $2,200. They're going to be upset because the Ethereum, before you can blink an eye, will be touching the $4,000 mark, heading to the $5,000 mark. So let's go ahead and get into the topic of the day. The topic of the day is one of the most popular cryptocurrency altcoins around, and that's none other than XRP. Currently, XRP is the number 7th largest cryptocurrency around. The price for XRP today is 56 cents. The market cap for XRP, this is a big dog. This is one of the largest cryptocurrencies in the world. The market cap is $31.7 billion market cap. Now, XRP is one of the coins that have been going through some trials and tribulations throughout the years. Court cases with the government, with the SEC. There have been a lot of things behind the scene going on with XRP that has been stunting the growth, stunting the pumps that XRP should have been happening, even going on back to the last bull market cycle of 2020-2021. So we're expecting great things from XRP. We know as of recently, they have signed an agreement. They shook hands with the SEC. Now things seems to be going pretty well with XRP. Now they have the opportunity to continue on with the various partnerships that they had lined up prior to the SEC court cases that they had been going through for the past 4 years or so. So there's so many partnerships on the table with XRP. These guys have been shaking hands with the various large institutions around the world. XRP is going to be a great utility, great avenue for payments, B2B, rather you making a payment from company in the United States, company to Russia. This doggone altcoin and the utility for this altcoin is going to be massive. We understand that they have great partnerships with some of the largest banks in the world. XRP is going to be one of those coins that is going to shock the world. As of lately, the past year or so, folks have been saying, hey, XRP is nothing. XRP is a waste of time for you to invest in. XRP is more like a stable coin because XRP was not pumping when the other altcoins were pumping. We talked about the baby altcoin season from March 2024. XRP only got to like 76 cents. So it didn't have a blow off top like all the other altcoins did a 5x. Some coins did 10x, 15x from January 2024 to March 2024. But XRP only went from like 56 cents to 75 cents during that same period. Didn't even do a 2x. So Folks don't have a lot of confidence in XRP. Folks don't have a lot of faith in XRP. So typically when those type of things are occurring, that's typically a sign for you to get a little bit of skin in the game, because when everybody is thinking one way, typically the other thing happens. So if everybody thinking XRP is not going to do well, it will probably be one of the most bullish coins in the top 10. So we're going to continue to watch XRP. We know that XRP has one of the largest communities out there. The XRP army, these guys are strong. These guys have been holding and stand 10 toes down for years. One of the most faithful communities out there. So that's always important when we're talking about cryptocurrency. Communities play a large part in this doggone stratosphere as well. Now we understand the all-time high for XRP was about $3 back in 2018. In 2018, XRP was the man. It was running. I had a little bit of skin in the game at XRP. We ran that thing up to $3. We made a lot of money off XRP. Didn't really know what I was doing back then, but I do remember XRP Ripple. We made a lot of money in that. We did see it touch $3. We thought it was going to continue to push past $3, but ultimately I think it capped at like $3.50. So now if you take a look at XRP market cap, we said that XRP market cap is about $31 billion market cap. If you take a look at the Solana market cap, the Solana market cap is $63 billion market cap. So we're saying that Solana will probably do an 8x, 10x. Well, for XRP to do, if Solana did a 10x, well, maybe XRP will probably get close to doing a 20x, getting real close to Solana. Who knows? But there's a lot of room, a lot of positive catalysts going on with XRP. Just because it's the number 7th largest cryptocurrency out there, don't mean that a coin like this can't do a 20x. Don't mean that a coin like this can't do a 50x, because once all the countries around the world really start to gravitate towards XRP, we understand that the large institutions are involved and they are in the midst of this cryptocurrency market. This particular cycle, these guys are going to be rubbing elbows with XRP Ripple. So we will kick back and we will see how far the XRP coin will go. If it was to do a 10x, you're talking about $5.60. If this thing was to do a 20x, then you're talking about over $10 for one XRP coin. And that is very reasonable for a coin like this. Some folks are even saying that this coin will probably go to $50. You know, it could possibly do a 100x. So there's a lot of room for XRP. We understand that this particular cycle will be a super cycle. I'm expecting early October for Bitcoin to start breaking beyond its all-time high. Its all-time high is $73,000. I'm expecting early October for things to really start to heat up. It all starts with Bitcoin. We understand that Bitcoin is the big dog. As Bitcoin goes, these other altcoins will follow. So very important for Bitcoin to do its thing, to start breaking through. So I'm expecting early October for things to really start to get serious. Very important to get some skin in the game, and so many of these altcoins that you know, love, and trust, start dollar cost averaging in right now. You do not want to wait and start to FOMO in. Once these coins start running up, oh, it's up 50%, it's up 60%. Now let me start to buy. That's called fear of missing out. You don't want to buy XRP right now at 56 cents? Okay, maybe you want to buy it when it gets to $1.10, because now you have the fear of missing out. Will it go past $3? If XRP goes past $3.50, then guess what? Now it is in a new discovery zone. And once these coins get into new discovery zone to where they break the all-time high, it's sky's the limit. They no longer have a ceiling. These things can run, and run. We've seen it with so many altcoins already this particular cycle. You know, we've seen these coins get into discovery zone and just start to kick in parabolic mode. So do your own research on XRP. Keep this coin on your radar. You may want to watch this coin, check out what's going on with this coin. But like I say, come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We have one of the best cryptocurrency communities around. But like I say, I just come to you guys every day just to continue to give you that good motivation. Coming to you guys every day to give you that good encouragement. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.